Hi everyone. So in the previous video, I told you about the conditions which must be fulfilled to add two matrices. So example that I have taken here is in it the A is a contains 2 3 4 6 elements, and B contains -4 3 7 2. These are the elements given in B and these are in A. So if I want to add two matrices, so the element that is present at this position will be added in the same matrices present at this position also. So this element position, we can say that it is A11 position, and in the B matrix this position is B11. So if I want to add these two, I must write it the way. First I will write the element of A, that is 2, and then plus, and then the second the element present in B. So in the same way I can add it here, and for the second position it will be like the same 3 plus 3, and for this it will be added it with the 7, and for 6 it will be added to the 2. So finally I will get 2 plus minus 4 will be -2, and 3 plus 3 will be 6, and 4 plus 7 will be 11, and in the same way 6 plus 2 will be 8. So as I can see here, the dimension of the matrix that I have got after adding two matrices will be the same that was given previously for the matrices that we were going to add. So in the same way we can subtract the matrices. For that I am taking the A matrices containing 7 3 5 1, and B containing 4 -2 2 3. So if I want to add it, I will take the element present in this position, that this is will be called element present at the row 1 and the column 1 position. So this is 7, and I will also subtract the same position element from it if I want to subtract A minus B. So I will write it in this way: 7 minus 4, and in the same way 3 minus 2. So this minus will also be present here, and this -2 I will write it in the bracket. So in the same way 5 minus 2 and 1 minus 3. So after doing this I will get this matrix, and it also has the same dimensions at as they were given for the matrix A and matrix B. So dimensions are not changing. Okay, so this way we can subtract two matrices. Okay, thank you so much.